Kamutil, Yekiadi, Argiaden, Miradi, Bainausia, Argiada, Motil Joam, Onatuda. The teacher spoke, and she said that the lampreys caress the skin of the Galician poets who commit suicide in the dark of night with ox eyes, lying down on Irish bonfires, and who live drowned beneath the waters of the Uller, of the Sar, of the Sarela, and of other rivers that flow out in young sands, in coffee with whiskey, and certain aesthetic impulses that continues with a wet knife blade that never gives anything. And she also said that they exist, that there live in the high sea some wild, enormous sea bass that knows the loveliest depths of the rivers that smell of gunpowder, of headbutts against the jail, and of bodily fluids that exude visceral fire and life eternally with dignity. And that's why in Galicia the lamprey tastes of grass, of the saliva of the poets born at the solstice of the most humid triangle of the Terra Deilia, and of the salty skin of the girl who covers herself all around the naked stones of the sea inlets, there where the revolution could begin to open its mouth. And here you have the horses, my teacher, the horses of all of Ireland, invading the furrows and the words inscribed on the edges of the stones by the hand of those ancients, swallowing crustaceans and mollusks without knowing the calcium from the journey, thrown in the heart of their bones. Here you have the bread and the meat, my teacher, the butter and the milk, the cows of all of Ireland, all of them up the mountains, eating the green memory of millennial deaths, of astonished sailors that had already dreamed of the youth fucking in the fields, in the time when serpents still inhabit the island. Here you have the salmons, my teacher, the red muscles of the salmons like a broken inheritance, a Celtic place naming the language of the Galicians, bleeding on the upstream current of the whole island to transport the beats through the water of the revolution that are the feet of the islands yet to be born. And I am my teacher. I am here listening to my own loneliness in the vast of the tracing of this pen across the surface of the paper. I am bringing myself out, my teacher, sticking my hands, my tongue, my inks in the terrible trap that is time with hope. This path branching in so many roots that all seem certain. And the root split onto the most intimate part of my profound youth. Here you have, my teacher, the defeat. Teño unha casita